Hi students, in previous class I explained about triangles and its properties, triangle definition, different types of triangles and median of triangle, altitude of triangle, angle sum property. Now this class I explain some example problems. First example problem, if two angles of a triangle are 45 degree and 48 degree, find its third angle. Find its third angle. Let I solve the solution is, let the third angle B, I take X, say. Now first two angles are given here. Next one comes 45 degree. Then 45 degree plus 48 degree plus X equal to how much comes here? 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property means sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. Here what? Angle sum property. Reason what? Angle sum property. Sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. Here what comes here? 40 first here. X is equal 180 degree. Here they place now this side go to the minus. Here LHS value transfer to the RHS side. 45 degree minus 48 degree. Here X is equal to how much comes here? 180 degree is called 45 and 48 how much comes here? 5 plus 8 almost 13. Here 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So here negative symbol now take the minus and minus here minus 93. Next here X is equal to how much comes here? 180. 180 minus 93. Taking here. I read 10 minus 3 how much? 7. Here how much? 7. Here again taking here carry how much comes here? 17. 17 minus 9 how much? 8. 17 minus 8 how much? 8. So here what? 87 degree. X is equal to how much? 87 degree. You can check here once here. 87 and 93. Here 0, 1 carry, 180 degree. So here third angle how much comes here? Is the rough now. Next here let the X value is how much comes? 87 degree here. Let the third angle be how much? The third angle X is equal to how much? 87 degree. And next second example, and I am taking the second example. First example over now. He has given the question to angles. You find the third angle. You take that. Let the third angle be the say X. Angle sum property you can use. Sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. And next one more example. Next one more second example. One more second example. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if angle A 2 into angle A equal to 3 into angle B equal to 6 into angle C. Determined what? Determined angle ABC. Determined angle A, angle B and angle C. Let I am taking here 2 angle A equal to 3, angle B equal to 6, angle C is equal to X. So here what comes here? 2 angle A is equal to X, and next here 3 angle B is equal to X. Next 6 angle C is equal to X. Here what comes? Angle A is equal to how much? X degree by 2. Angle B is equal to X degree by 3. Angle C is equal to X degree by 6. Angle sum property. Next what I apply? The angle sum property. Angle sum property means here therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal 180 degree. What's the reason here? Angle sum property. Angle sum property means sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree here. Angle sum property means sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. Angle A how much? X degree by 2. Angle B how much? X degree by 3. Angle C how much? X degree by 6 is equal to 180 degree. Here LCM of 2, 3 and 6. Here 2, 3, 6 LCM. 2 table. 2 ones are 3 not comes 3 right, you can write here. Next 3s are. Next 3 table. 3 ones are 3 1 is same. 3 ones are 3 ones are. What comes here? The LCM of 2, 3 and 6 equal to 2 into 3. 6. LCM is how much comes? 6 comes. Next here I am taking this side of the board. Next here LCM by 6. What comes here? X degree by 2 into 6 plus x degree by 3 into LCM plus x degree by 6 into LCM is equal to how much? 180 degree here. 2 table. 2 ones are 2 3s are. 3 ones are 3 2s are. 6 ones are 6 ones are. So here 3x degree plus 2x degree plus 1x degree or x degree equal to 180 into 6 equal to 180 into this 6 comes to go to the RHS side here. Denominator now is that go to the numerator. Next here 3 plus 2 plus 1 6x degree is equal to how much? 180 into 6. X degree is equal to how much? 180 into 6 by 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. What here comes here? 180 degree. What x value is how much? X is equal to how much? 180 degree. Here you need here what here? X value. Angle A, angle B, angle C you can find out now here. Next here what comes here? Angle A. Angle A how much? Angle A. X degree by 2 means x value how much? 180. 180 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 90s are. So first angle A is equal 90 degree. Next to angle B. Angle B how much here? X degree by 3. X value how much? 180 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 60s are. So angle B is equal 60 degree. Next one what? Angle C. Angle C is equal what here? X degree by 6. X degree how much here? 180 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 30s are. So here angle C how much? 30 degree. Here angle sum property. 90 plus 60 how much? 150. 150 plus 30, 180 degree. Angle sum property is A plus B plus C. This is the angle A is the 90 degree. Angle B is the 60 degree and angle C is the 30 degree. Third example. I am taking the one more example. Third example, ratios. Ratios is given, you find out the angles. How to find out the angle? Ratios are given. See third one example. Ratios are given. Find the angles. Ratios are given. Find the angles. Here given ratio. First, third question. Third question is. The angle of a triangle, the angle of a triangle symbol, the angle of a triangle are in the ratio, What ratio? 5 is to 6 is to 7. Find the angles. Find how to find out the angles. Ratios is given. First given ratio terms you write. First given ratio terms. After sum of the ratio terms. Sum of the ratio terms. Solution. The given ratios are 5:6:7. Next, sum of the ratio terms. Next word, sum of the ratio terms means 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 how much? 11 plus 7 is equal to how much? 18. First angle here, first ratio how much? 5. Sum of the ratio terms how much? 18 by sum of the three angles how much? 180 degree. You multiply the 180 degree here. 18 ones are 18 tens are. So 5 into 10 how much? 50 degree. First one 5 into 10 50 degree. Second angle how much? Second here 6 by 118 into 180. Ones are tens are. So here 6 into 10 how much? 60 degree. Second angle. Third angle third ratio how much here? 7 by 18 into 180. 18 ones are 18 tens are. So 7 into 10. 7 tens are 70 degree. Here first what the question? Angles of a triangular in the ratios 5:6:7. Find the angles. First given ratios are. First given ratio how much? 5:6:7. Sum of the ratio term means 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 7 18. Your first angle what? First ratio by sum of the ratio terms into 180 degree. Here so come 50 degree. Second also same. Second ratio by sum of the ratio terms into 180 degree. Here 60 comes. Here next one third angle third ratio by sum of the ratio terms. Here comes 70 degree. Next one more. Next I explain one topic, exterior angle property.